Good evening, sir. Your research topic is Best Frontier, where Simant Gandhi, also known as Abdul Ghaffar Khan, is known. This area belong to Balochistan, Peshawar, Afghanistan that time. Or your research is very good on this topic. Please say about this research because you are intelligent person or researcher in this field. So say.
Dear students, research students, I had joined Department of Buddhist Studies on 18/7/2000. Head of Department, Professor K.T. Sarao. K.T. Sarao, observing my research skill and teaching skill, he bestowed interest on me to do research. So he took me along with researchers of the department 2001 to Pakistan via by Samjhauta train. We did
तेज बोलिए, तेज.
all the sites of in and around Lahore, like Harappa sites, archaeological sites. Also did go to see sites of Silk Route, old Silk Route near Taxilas, Dhamraj ka Stup, also Bhir Mount, Taxila sites, Taxila University sites, all sites. Now this Dhamraj ka Stup sites is now UNESCO heritage, and from there we had also gone to Peshawar, that is known as the Frontier Gandhi place, capital of Kanishkas, ancient time Kanishkas, the king of, great king. And I was so much impressed and touched by the emotions and sentiments of great Professor K.T. Sarao, who had in Gwal Mandi, the famous food point of Lahore, he had offered so affectionately and true of love, Gwal Mandi's lassi, which I had really enjoyed with my old friends there. But here I would like to refer Professor K.T. Sarao's book that should read by every researcher, that is the Urban Centers, as referring to Buddhist is also read. It is a great work of Professor K.T. Sarao that really reflect all the services of the Buddhist centers, and really how many, that is a brilliant research ever has been done by anyone in this field. And that should be read and researched with reference to Professor K.T. Sarao.
Please say research
and
field.
When we mount and every site we have seats on many sites, because I am from Patna, even at Taxilas, even at Harappa, outside tea stalls and some vendor shops, many were from, I found they had origin from Patna. Many were there. But the great event, really I really touched. I was moving in the evening in Islamabad Mall, where I met a man who was sitting on a bookshop book. I didn't introduce him. He was a senior higher officer, bureaucrats of Pakistan government. And he was also a product of Patna College, Patna University. Later he joined after position, but Pakistan services. And I did tell him like a Patnais, I am feeling here like from Delhi inspecting or visiting as officials to, as I visit to Chennai or to Chandigarh or to any state capital. I am not feeling. He smiled on me and he said, it is the partitions took place. Who had made partition? It is not we. It is done by the Europeans. So whatever conflict is there, it is not between the brothers, because two brothers are not happy with the line of boundaries and the distribution of water, rivers, water, resources. This always happens in the partitions. That is all over Asia. Whatever we have differences with them, this is not done by us, we two brothers. And so here is very important that this, and in Islamabad and in Lahore, I had bought the national newspaper, Dawn. Dawn, always the reading of Dawn, reflecting as it happens in partition in two brothers. One brother, two brothers are blaming, I have not got that, you have got more, and that. So that was also reading that we have not got the expenses, we have not got capital, which we should need for building capital, because they don't have the capital at that time also, at the partitions. So this was reflecting that one. But one thing is that love was not cemented. Love was still there with two brothers. The same brothers, we are just partition as it happens in family. They do part and always see that you have brother, you have taken more. That was the reflection of the Dawn newspaper. Now at the time of partitions, India had taken more and more that one, and you will know. But who had done it? Red Cliff line or McMahon line? These lines, these Europeans had divided that one. So that should be Asian views. So the Buddhism, I'm taking Ashoka's Buddhism, great Ashoka's. Already I've told you that was how the line has gone to that.
McMahon, not Red Cliff. That's
McMahon is in China.
McMahon
so
is China.
I'm talking about Asian one.
Okay.
So that's so here's Buddhism point, the research. As I had gone all because Kanishka capital was Peshawar, and you as Indian side, we do see Gupta period as a golden period of India, and Pakistan historians see the Kanishka period, that is a golden period of Pakistan. And there is research, there is many research. So that, but here I am referring to the urban centers, Bir Mount, all this has been researched by from that one, Taxila sites, and Dhamraj Ka Stup, Sripur. So these are all the sites should be taken. And here, that Panchshil, which was established, that we should honor each other's brothers, cause and concerned, and then we should sit together, only two brothers. Means only what we have differences, it should be resolved through dialogue.
Who are two brothers?
Pakistan and India.
Okay. Please say something about Mohenjo-daro, because Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, tune capital of...
No, I have not gone to Mohenjo-daro.
Okay.
And here, as I have referred to urban centers of Portuguese law, that should be researchers should read. And also, you should read, one should read, Professor Nendo Tahiri had delivered a brilliant lecture as a president's letter at Punjab History Conference, Patiala. Harappa sites has been seen as a Buddhist sites. They are all Buddhist. So that should be also read. There should be research of Professor Nendo Tahiri's site, book.
Okay.
President's address.
Okay, sir.
Punjab History Conference, Patiala.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Also Harappa that site. So I am telling you, this. So the Panchshil or the Buddhist principles of brotherhood, Metta Bhava,
In which countries?
between India, Pakistan, and
No,
all
India and
all
China.
Asia,
India
all
and China.
Asia.
Okay.
And these all these that should resolve only through the Buddhist principle of Panchshil, or that is the research and of my visit to that sites. And when I was coming back to India, Pakistan and India had taken my Delhi newspaper Dawn of the Pakistan sites. They had not allowed me to bring out to my country because it is the intellectuals, and Pakistan and India had taken that Dawn from me. and I had come without dawn to India.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.